Students, now let us discuss one of the important and interesting concept that would be about collaborative logistics. So we have discussed collaboration, that could be vertical collaboration or horizontal collaboration, as well as full collaboration. But what is the importance for such kind of a collaboration for the logistical activity? Let us dig into it and discuss some important aspects. So collaborative logistics networks must support actually real and recognized benefits to all members. That means collaboration should be beneficial to all the channel members. It is not like that it would create some kind of a relational alliance. We have discussed such kind of a relational alliances when there is more dependency on some of the channel members. Yes, dependency could be created on some channel members, like we have discussed Walmart and we have discussed P&G, Procter & Gamble, on which different channel members would actually follow their policies or follow their strategy. But at the same time, those kind of collaborations, collaborative logistics would actually be creating the benefit for other channel members as well. So it is a dynamic creation, measurement and evolution of collaborative partnerships. So when you say it is a dynamic creation and measurement, that means with passage of time, it could change. The utility of those collaborative logistical activities could differ, or it may be increasing or maybe decreasing for some of the channel members. So for long-term relationships to be actually having a collaborative scenario, it is actually required that with the passage of time, the benefit for the channel members would be increasing rather than decreasing. Or if it is not increasing, it should remain at that level so that the channel members would be satisfied. So co-buyer and co-supplier relationships, this is about the integrated scenario. So collaboration would actually lead to, or it is one step behind what you call the supply chain integration, where your co-buyers, retailers, or suppliers would be integrated in the cycle of procurement, physical distribution, and manufacturing support. It requires flexibility and security, collaboration across all stages of business process integration, open integration with other sources. So you need to actually integrate your business process with other business processes as well. So collaboration around essential logistics flow. We know that logistical flow would be encompassing the logistical activity. So collaboration should be around that scenario. The information which is being shared, the forecast which is being shared, it would be revolving around that logistical activity. Let us see this example, this figure, and you would be able to know about the collaborative logistics. Whenever a collaborative logistics is created, it would be under three important criteria. The organization should have the ability to invest. The organization should have expertise to be in that collaboration. That means, let's say I need some wholesaler. We have discussed the case where some specialist could be introduced in the channel relationship. So let's say there were three manufacturers and three retailers, and they were directly supplying their product or distributing their product to those retailers. And we introduced one wholesaler, specialized wholesaler, who could actually sort and break the bulk for those retailers, so that whatever quantity is required by the retailer, or whatever sizes or whatever units or whatever variety is actually required by the retailers, the wholesaler as a specialist would actually provide it to them. Procter & Gamble actually provides such kind of a consultancy for their retailers as well. So expertise are required. So for collaborative stuff, you need expertise, and you would have the ability to invest. When you say ability to invest, that means you should have the information technology support with you, so that the real-time information between the players who have become actually channel partners now, they should have the investment to actually go for such kind of information technology support. So if that information technology support is available, you would say you have the ability to invest and you can actually share the real-time information with you. For small retailers, small buyers, small manufacturers, collaborative logistics may not seem attractive because it would be a high cost scenario if they are going for such kind of information technology support. The third thing is, the important part is the strategic fit. When you say strategic fit, it would be the competitive advantage of which an organization have by aligning the competitive strategy, marketing strategy, and product development strategy. You would have, I believe you would have actually gone through this concept in the basic course of supply chain management. So when you have some competitive advantage that is actually aligned with the marketing and product development strategy and the overall strategy of the organization, then it would have a strategic fit. Like, I can give you an example. Dell के केस में जो उनका ऑनलाइन मॉडल है, दैट इज एक्चुअली अ स्ट्रेटेजिक फिट. एक ऐसा कंपैटिटिव एडवांटेज जो उसे दूसरों से बेहतर बनाता है और उसके साथ साथ उसके पास उसके लिए लॉजिस्टिकल सपोर्ट भी मौजूद है. अर्जेंट पार्सल सर्विस, VMI, and actually producing, postponing the production till the time customer order arrives. That is creating the overall strategic fit. यानी मेरी manufacturing strategy, मेरी marketing strategy, which is the online model, as well as the delivery on time, ये सारी ऐसी strategies हैं एक organization की जो कि उसके competitive edge को strategic fit बना रही हैं. And every competitive advantage is actually not a strategic fit, but every strategic fit would be a competitive advantage. So collaborative logistics is created if the organization have a strategic fit. And these three criteria would be fulfilled in order to go for logistical collaboration. So the crux would be that for an overall core competency, organizations actually support or they go for or they strive for the collaborative logistics. Thank you.